going to talk to you about two parts that we have that may help you out if you're experiencing depth tolerance issues when installing the iBox. An example would be if the iBox ends up being too deep in the wall or the wall is too thin. Now, a standard installation requires a depth of between 80 and 108 millimeters to the front face of the tile. This is also indicated on the iBox itself as a guide. Now, an example of tolerance issues may be when you're tiling but you're having to pack out the tiles more than you thought to get the wall nice and straight, but the tile ends up being over the maximum. You don't have to take the iBox out and move it so it's within its tolerances. We have a spacing block which measures 25 millimeters in depth, so it basically has 25 millimeters onto the maximum line here. This is installed into the iBox between the iBox itself and the brass valve. The second part is if the wall is too thin and you're struggling to get the front face of the tile within the tolerances here. We have a spacer which measures 22 millimeters in depth, and it installs in front of the tiles but behind the faceplate of the shower itself, and it is available in all the different shapes that we do. Thank you for watching.